Hello, beautiful people. This video is about my flat twist experience, how I made this flat twist cornrow. I've been on this trial and error method for years. To some people, it came very easy and simple to do, but for me, it had been struggles, rehearsal practices, and I finally got it, and I was super excited to try it. And so I decided to make a video on this. So the style is just a two-step cornrow style. The base is single braids. I made all the base single braids, which some people also call Senegalese braid or Bob Marley, while the front section is an all to the back style. And this is just the simple thing I did with this flat twist style. And here is it on how I achieved it and the look afterwards. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, you are very much welcome. I am happy that you are here because I love to see you here in this channel, and this is one of those channels that you will love to be. To my returning subscribers, say thank you for coming back to see my videos. Now let's get into the video. This is actually not a tutorial video. More reason I will not be so detailed in my talking. I'll just allow you see it. This video is to show you how and what the style looked like afterwards. Let me know if you love the style and you'll be wanting to try it on anytime, any day soon. My name is Oluwatosin. Thank you for seeing it. Now, before I pause, you want to stay to the end of this video and know the importance of cod liver oil both in your body system and on our hair, how it helps or affects hair growth. Stay tuned while I come back at the latter part of the video. Thank you. So about cod liver oil, it's a medicine, but the medicine is derived from, or should I say, the constituent, the component of the medicine is fish oil, basically fish oil. So whatever nutrients that you think you can get from fish is what the cod liver oil medicine will offer your body system. So if you feel you lack the protein, the vitamins that fish can give to your body, feel free to get the cod liver oil, but it is advisable to talk to your medical practitioner. See a medical practitioner and discuss with them before taking any new medicine. This will help you because fish on its own help to boost hair growth. It helps also in the overall health of our body. Fish goes a long way, even if you want to have a long hair. And I believe that you taking the right medicine, in which cod liver oil is one of them, will give you this benefit as well. Like I said, discuss with your doctor, your medical practitioner before taking any new medicine. Discuss with them and know which is right and appropriate for your usage. And this will be all in this video. Until my next video. Bye.